How do you do quotes, sales quotations at the moment in your organization? Do you use Excel or Word or your accounting system, or you do them within an email going to the customer? Well, with Workbooks CRM, the sales quotation capability is built in, and not many CRM systems out there have a built-in capability to create sales quotes. Furthermore, Workbooks can actually go on to create sales orders and invoices. But this video is just about sales quotations, and it's very easy to create a sales quote. You can actually create it from your start menu here and go to sales quotation, or I can go to the record of a person or a company, and an unusual tab, or a tab that you don't find in many other CRM systems, is transactions. So this is where we can see financial transactions, quotes, orders, invoices, customer contracts, credit notes as well. And from here, I can create a brand new quotation. What we can also do is create different types of quotations. So in your business, do you have different quotation scenarios requiring different processes or different types of information are necessary to be recorded against that quotation? You can do that with Workbooks. So I give the quote a name and then create it. And now I can actually start adding in items, products, or services to this quotation. Now, Workbooks is a bit unusual in that it does allow you to track product and pricing information. Most CRM systems will just record information about your leads, your prospects, your customers, your suppliers, the people you deal with in your organization. But Workbooks does have within it the capability of tracking very detailed information about the products and services you sell, including pictures of those products as well, quite detailed information. So I'm going to add in an item to this quote. Very simply, I've got a drop-down list here where I can select from my inventory, from my stock list, a particular product. I can change any of this information I want to, quantity, pricing, description. I can see the margin I'm making as well. Very easily add in all of those different items to this quotation. I can then save the quote. And now I'm ready to send it to the customer. So built into Workbooks is the ability to create and send emails to the customer. We can actually store and maintain a library of common emails, email templates I want to send to my customer. I do have, I mentioned I've got different quotation styles, but I can also have different email templates that will attach this quotation in a PDF format to the customer. So I can select that. This will bring up a standard email send screen where I can attach extra files, include extra recipients, change the wording of the email as well. When I click send, off it goes. So there you are, very simple way of managing a sales quotation from start to finish within Workbooks CRM. Wizard Systems are an independent supplier of CRM and related business solutions to help you and your organization get to new levels of productivity in sales, marketing, and customer service. We offer full training and support. Got a new project? Start a dialogue today. Visit wizard-systems.com.